Hey, shovelheadffej, and today me and Chopper Rod are going down to Hippie Dave's at T&E Cycle. I think the video before this one kind of introduced you to Hippie Dave, but Rodney's got some projects going, I got some projects going, and it just kind of coincides with what's going on with Hippie Dave at T&E Cycle. So we decided, hey, we're gonna ride down there today. And one of the reasons why I no longer ride in a club is because one of the clubs that I rode in, the president's wife was in my opinion, a pill freak. You know, so here I am, I'm up at 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. We're fixing to go on a run, and I'm waiting till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock for her to finally get her coma-induced self out of bed, you know. And so kickstands are up at 12, 1 o'clock, and it's like, man, the day is already frickin' done, you know. So for me, if I say 8 o'clock, it's not 8:01, it's 8 o'clock. For me, if I say 8 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock, not 8:01 and not 7:59. If I say I'm gonna be there at 8 o'clock, you can pretty well set your watch on it. And I think something very important is respect a person's time. Now, yesterday, and yeah, I'm calling you out, Chopper Rod, I said 8 o'clock. He said 8 o'clock. I said 8 o'clock Chopper Rod time, 8 o'clock shovelheadffej time. And we agreed upon 8 o'clock shovelheadffej time. And my watch is actually 3 minutes late. That man will be late for his own funeral, and I hope he is. I think that's what I'm going to do. If he goes before me, I'm just going to be late to his funeral. And when I show up late, I'm just going to make a big stink about it. See you on the road. laughing because back in the day, if you did that, if you washed your bike and you had a magneto or a distributor and a carburetor and crap like that, forget it, man. You ain't going riding. Everything would get so soaked, everything would get grounded out. You had to put plastic bags over your magneto or your distributor. I'm sorry, man, the light sucked. You had to put plastic bags or magnetos over your distributor and over your carburetor. If not, you're not going nowhere. The electronic ignitions do have some good things about them. Not a big fan because they're harder to work on. Fej, and I am in the shovelhead shed. I'm back home, safe and sound in the garage, and it's actually the end of the day. Everything is winding down, the sun's starting to go down, and Rod and I made it back home safe and sound. I really didn't record none of the audio today because when I was at TNA Cycles, because we were wheeling and dealing, and the bottom line is I'll know by tomorrow. I should have something awesome, actually 2 things that are so awesome, and I am so flippin' excited about both of them. And the same thing with Chopper Rod. I think he walked away with some pretty good deals, some new projects for him, and so I am super excited about what we done. Like I said, I did not want to record it because we were just negotiating for a few hours, just talking, shooting the bull, and it was just basically private conversations between friends and stuff like that. Also, the introduction or the beginning of this video about Chopper Rod being late, I ain't got nothing but love for my brother. Most people are late. He's generally late. I know it. That's just the way that it is. And so that was just more of a little rib on him. Chopper Rod, don't get mad at me. You know I love you. Anyway, if you like what you see, man, I would appreciate it. You know, like and hit the bell notification. Leave comments. Comments seem to really excite the algorithm, whatever that is. I still don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, but I do know that has a lot to do with whether I continue on as a YouTuber or not. If you like what you see, I'd appreciate if you would just, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, comment, of course, like I said, hit that little bell notification. It's all really super important. I do this for next to nothing. It's something that I love to do. Of course, I want my channel to grow. I'm at like a little over 7,000 subscribers. Man, I want to hit that 10,000 so bad. Some people are lucky. They get it pretty quick. But hey, I'm just kind of stuck right now. Maybe because I went from 2 videos a week to 1 video a week. I may have to just bump it up a little bit more. I don't know. I'm going to try to record more videos. Anyway, this is way too long. Like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it, man.